Harvested banana stems are usually discarded after fruit collection. This banana stem holds valuable natural fibers. One banana stem creates multiple sustainable products.
Banana stem fiber is strong, flexible, and plant-based.
This facility transforms raw banana stems into industrial materials. Fresh banana stems are collected daily after banana harvest.
This timing is critical to protect banana stem fiber quality.
Banana stems are sorted for fiber, paper, feed, or energy use. Harvested banana stems move directly to the factory.
The factory processes hundreds of tons of banana stems daily.
Every banana stem is traceable from farm to factory.
Automation handles banana stem intake efficiently.
High-pressure washing cleans raw banana stems before fiber extraction. Correct moisture protects banana stem fiber structure.
Each banana stem follows a specific production path.
Outer layers are removed from banana stems before extraction. Slicing reveals internal banana stem fibers. Soft tissue separates while banana stem fiber remains intact. Repeated washing purifies banana stem fiber. Fiber length defines the final banana stem product. Controlled heat preserves banana stem fiber strength. Carding prepares banana stem fiber for spinning.
Livers stabilize banana stem fiber before yarn making.
Spinning transforms banana stem fiber into strong textile-grade yarn.
Banana stem yarn rivals conventional textile fibers.
Finished banana stem yarn is ready for shipment.
Banana stem pulp forms using water and motion only. Screening refines banana stem paper pulp. Fibers bond naturally in banana stem paper. Drying strengthens banana stem paper.
Finishing improves banana stem paper texture.
Banana stem paper is fully biodegradable.
Enzymes extract pure banana stem cellulose.
Banana stem cellulose becomes bioplastic resin.
Banana stem bioplastic replaces petroleum plastic.
Finished bags made from banana stem bioplastic are ready for daily use.
Banana stem bioplastic breaks down naturally.
Retailers adopt banana stem packaging worldwide.
No banana stem material is discarded.
Shredding prepares banana stem waste for reuse.
Banana stem feed supports livestock nutrition.
Pelleted banana stem feed improves efficiency.
Farms purchase banana stem feed affordably.
Bacteria convert banana stem waste into biogas.
Banana stem biogas powers the factory. Every banana stem product is tested.
Hollow cells make banana stem fiber light and strong.
Banana stem paper meets industrial standards.
Banana stem products meet global compliance.
As brands evaluate banana stem alternatives, these sample kits showcase the potential for high-end, sustainable packaging.
Research continues expanding future applications of banana stem products.
Banana stem yarn ships worldwide.
Banana stem paper serves industrial packaging.
Automated handling of banana stem packaging.
Banana stem feed supplies regional farms.
We need that pallet moved to Bay 3 immediately.
One facility, many banana stem products.
Banana stem materials travel globally.
Banana stems move from waste to value fast.
Banana stem processing reduces emissions. Banana stem manufacturing turns agricultural waste into global resources.